Hello everyone, you're welcome to this class. So in this class, we want to look at questions on conversion of number bases. So we're going to be looking at how to convert from one base to another and how to convert from base 2 to other bases to base 10 from base 10 to other bases. So that's what I want to look at in this video. So let's have the first question that we have here. So the first question is change 321 321 3 2 1 base 4 to base 9. So the first thing is for us to change this to base 10. So this is 0 1 2. So this is going to go 3 times 4 raised by 2 plus 2 times 4 raised by 1 plus 1 times 4 raised by 0. So that is 3 times 4 squared is 16 plus 2 times 4 plus 1 times 1. So 3 times 16 3 multiplied by 16 gives us 48. So that is going to be 48 plus 2 times 4, 8 plus 1. And this will give us plus, that's going to give us 57. So this is not the final answer. This is to base 10. Alright, so we now change this one to base 9. That is where we are going. So in that case, we're going to, let's go down. So we now convert this 57 to base 9 now. So 57 divided by 9, right? So that gives us 6. So that is 9 times 6 is what? 9 times 6, sorry, 9 times 6 is of 54. So that means going to remain 3. Are you with me? So 9 and 57 give us 6. So when you multiply 6 by 9, it's going to be 54. That means 57 minus 54, right? That gives us what? 3. So 9 and 6 is 0. It still remains that 6. So the answer will then be 63. 63 base what? Base 9. That is option B. I hope that is very clear. So for question number 2, so we have change 1253 base 6 to base 2. 1253 base 6 to base 2. So the first thing you change to base 10, 0, 1, 2, 3. So that gives us 1 times 6 raised by 3 plus 2 times 6 raised by 2 plus 5 times 6 raised by 1 plus 3 times 6 raised by 0. So 6 raised by 3 now, that is 6 raised by 3 gives us 216. 216 plus 2 times 3 raised 6 raised by 2 is 36, not 12. 36 plus 5 times 6 plus 3 times 1. So this will give us 216 plus 72, 2 times 36 plus 5 times 6, 30 plus 3. Alright, so let's add everything together here. That is 216 plus 72 plus 30 plus 3. That gives us 321. So this is 321 base 10. So it is this now we now change to base 2. We now convert this to base 2. So let's do that now. So 321 to base 2 now. So we use 2 to divide. So 2 in 3 is 1. You carry 1. And 12, that is 6. And 1, that is 0, remainder 1. Alright, so 2 again, 2 can go. That is 80, remainder 0. 2 in 80, that is 40, remainder 0. 2 in 40 is 20, remainder 0. 2 in 20, that is 10, remainder 0. Alright, 2 in 10, that is 5, remainder 0. And then 2 in 5 is 2, remainder 1. 2 in 2 is 1, remainder 0. And the 2 in 1 is 0, remainder 1. So in writing out the answer, we'll start from the bottom to the top. So which will give us 101. Then we have 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 1. So let's look at the options that we have here. 101, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Option A is correct. Option B, 101, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's check very well. Option C. So that is option A, right? That's option A. We go to question number 3 now. Number 3. Now for question number 3, so you have this. I want to change it to octa, and octa means base 8. Right. Okay, question number 3. So change this one to octa. So that is in base 2. So that means we're going to have 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, base 2. So to base 10 first, 4. So that's going to be 1 times 2 raised power 4 plus 1 times 2 raised power 3 plus, so this 0 here, you might decide not to write it because when you multiply it by 0 to give you 0. So not to waste our time, let's omit that. That's going to be 1 times 2 raised power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised power what is 0. So this will then give us, so 1, 2 raised power 4, that is going to be 16, plus 1 times 2 raised power 3, that is 8, plus 1 times 2 raised power 1 is 2, plus 1 times 2 raised power 0 is 1. So 1 times 16 is 16, plus 1 times 8 is 8, plus 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 times 1 is 1. And that will give us, this is 24, 26, 27. Alright, that is 27. So base 10. So it is this that will now change to base 8. So we change this to base 8, and let's see what we're going to have. So converting this one to base 8 now is 27 to 8. So how many 8 can we see in 27? That's going to be 3, which is 24. Remainder was 3. So 8 in 3 is 0, remainder 3. So the answer then equals to what? 33 or base 8. And that is option C. Then go to question number 4. Now, question number 4. So change 101 base 2 to base 3. 101 base 2, 101 base 2 to base 3. So the same thing, 0, 1, 2. So that's going to be 2 times 2, sorry, 1 times 2 raised power 2, plus 0 is useless there. That is 1 times 2 raised power what? 0. So this will give us 1 times 4 plus 1 times 1. And that gives us 4 plus 1 equals what? 5. So we now change 5 to base 3 now. So let's convert 5 to base 3. So 3 in 5, 1, remainder 2. 3 in 1 is 0, remainder 1. So that is going to give us 12 base 3. 12 base 3. And that is option G here. Then go to question number 5 now. Question number 5. Therefore, question number 5, we have changed 413 base 6 to base 7. 413 base 6 to base 6 to base 7. That's going to be 413 is in base 6. So this is 0, 1, 2. So this will give us 4 times 6 raised power 2 plus 1 times 6 raised power 1 plus 3 times 6 raised power 0. That is 4 times 36 plus 1 times 6 plus 3 times what? 1. So multiply 36 by 4, that gives us 144. 144 plus 1 times 6 is 6, plus 3 times 1 is 3. So plus 6 plus 3. So that gives us 153. 153 base 10. So this is not where we're going. We're going to base 7, right? So we're going to base 7. So in that case, we convert this to base 7. So 153 to base 7 now. 7 with 15 is 2. You carry 1. Remainder 1 and 13. And that is 1. Remainder 6. Right? So 7 in 21 is 3. Remainder 0. And 7 in 3 is 0. Remainder 3. So the answer is 306 base what? Base 7. 306 base 7. That is option A. Option A. So we'll move to question number 6 now. Question 6. For question 6 now. So what we have in question 6 is convert 98 base 10 to base 2. 98 from base 10 is in base 10. We want to convert it to base 2. So that's going to be 98. Then we use 2 to divide it. 2. So right now our remainders. So 2 and 9, that is 4. Remainder 1 and 18, that is 9. Remainder 0. Right. 2 here, that is 2 and 9, that is 4. Remainder 1. This 12, remainder 0. 6, remainder 0. 3, remainder 0. 1, remainder 1. Then we continue. 2 and 1 is 0, remainder 1. So the answer is 1 1 0 0 0 1 0. 1 1 0 0 0 1 0. That is option C. That's option C. So question number 7 now. For question number 7. For question 7, convert this to base 3. So this base 10, 12.14. So this one has decimal. So what you're going to do, so before decimal point, this is 0, 1. After decimal point, minus 1, minus 2. This is in base 10. Want to convert to base, sorry, to want to convert this to base 3. It's already in base 10. All right. So what we're going to do, this is question 7. This is in base 10. We want to convert it to base 3, right? So what we're going to do, we first of all convert the whole part to base 3. So we use 3 to divide it. That means we're going to have 12, then 3. That's going to give us 3 and 12, that is 4, remainder 0. 3 and 4, 1, remainder 1. 3 and 1 is 0, remainder 1. So we have 1, 1, 0. So we're going to have the decimal part will be here. So from here now you can see which one will be part of the answer. A is part of it. It could be A, it could be C, and it could be D. So B is out of it automatically. So for the next one, 0.14, this is decimal part. From what I've explained earlier on, so we are converting to base 3. We now use the 3 to multiply it. We use 3 to multiply it. So 3 times 4 is 12. We carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1. That gives what? 4. So 0.0. All right. So we continue with that. So our answer will be the O part here, right? So we come in. So this is the first part. 3 times 2, that is 6. 3 times 4, that is 12. Point. We carry 1 to this place, right? So you still use 3 again. So you can, this one is in 3 decimal places. So this is the first one, second one. Let's check the third one. So 3 times 6 is 18. Carry 1. 3 times 2, that is 7.0. So which means we have 0.010. So that means the answer is 110.010. 110. So 110.010. 110.02. Point. This is A is out of it. B is out of it. D, if you look at D, we have 110.010. So which means if we let's do the next one and see if we're going to get that. So we have 3, right? 3 times 4 times 8 is 24. We carry 2. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 2, that is 23. We put 3 here, we put 2 here. So which means 2 will be here. So that is option D, as you can see. Good. Excuse me. I hope this is very clear. Let's go to question number 8. For question number 8, convert 83 base 10 to base 2. So we want to convert 83 to base 2. So we have our remainder column here. That is 4, 1, remainder 1. 2 can go, that is 20, remainder 1. 10, remainder 0. 5, remainder 0. Right? Then 2, remainder 1. 1, remainder 0. 0, remainder 1. So that means we have 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, where is it? 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So that is option D. That is option D. For question number 9 now. For question number 9. For question number 9. For this one now, so what we're going to do now is so 2 in 5, that is 2. We carry 1, that is 17, remainder 8. 2 in 17, that is 8, remainder 1. All right. So 2 in this is 1, 4, remainder 0. 2 in 14, 7, remainder 0 as well. 2 in 7 is 3, remainder 1. 2 in 3 is 1, remainder 1. And 2 in 1 is 0, remainder what? 1. So the answer will then become from bottom, don't forget, that is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So that is option A. So the last question here, question number 10. Question number 10. So we have convert this to base 4. Base 10 to base 4. So which means we use 4 to divide. That's what it means. So we have this 6, 4, 2. We put our remainder here. Then we convert it to base 4. Alright. So 4 in 6 is 1, remainder 2. 4 in 24 is 6. Then 4 in 2 is 0, remainder 2. I hope that is clear. Then 4 again can go. 4 in 16, that is 40. This is 40, that's remainder 0. 4 in 40, 10, remainder 0. 4 in 10 is 2, remainder 2. And then 4 in 2 is 0, remainder 2. So that means the answer will be, so the answer here is 2, 2, 2, 2, 0, 0, 2 base 4. So that is option C. I can see this typo error there for you to have one there. So sorry for that. So this is where we're going to stop in this video. So we'll meet in our next video. Bye for now.